Hi, my name is Howard Smith. I'm a middle grade education major, and I'm really just want to know what are we going to do about our midterms, being that we had delays with classes and everything.
My name is Adiri Morrison. I'm a Homeland Security and Emergency Management major. My question is, what are we going to do about the people who can't come to class Wednesday through Friday?
Hi everybody, my name is Nigel DeVille. I'm a mechanical engineering major, and my question is, how are the assignments that were due during the hurricane are going to be affected?
Hi, my name is Jazz Johnson, also known as Mr. Pink and Green here at Savannah State. I am a civil engineering major, and my question is, what are we doing to actually prepare for the actual midterms, being as though we missed that opportunity due to the power outage?